Hi, my name is Sunil Fernandez. I'm the managing editor for GoodReturns.in. I'm here to speak to you and tell you what has happened in the stock markets today. Today, the markets were weak, a day ahead of the RBI's monetary policy. The Nifty fell about 153 points to end at 16,416 points. The Sensex also lost ground and ended 567 points lower at 55,107 points. The trend was bearish, and the trend was bearish despite more resilient European markets, and Dow futures of course was lower, but the European markets were resilient. Our markets fell for the second successive day, and clearly it's on account of the monetary policy. Investors are worried that the RBI will sound more hawkish. The interest rates, or the repo rates, the rates at which the RBI lends money to banks, will be hiked by as much as 50 basis points. This is what spooked the markets, and it continued this bearish trend from yesterday, and we saw some of the stocks losing ground, especially the banking stocks, on worries of another repo rate hike. So let's tell you the stocks that lost ground in trade today. Titan has lost ground for the second successive day. UPL, Dr. Reddy's Labs, Britannia Industries, and Larsen were all among the losers in trade. Stocks that gained: ONGC jumped as much as 5% on the back of rising crude prices. This stock, along with another oil and gas exploration company, Oneindia, has been in the limelight on rising crude prices. Remember, every time crude prices rise, ONGC tends to gain because it tends to benefit by selling crude oil at a higher price. It's an oil and gas exploration company. NTPC was another stock that gained. Coal India was among the winners from the Nifty. Maruti Suzuki and Hero MotoCorp, two stocks from the auto and two-wheeler space, also gained ground. So these were some of the stocks that gained ground. Overall, the market trend was clearly lower. Coming to the outlook for the market, it really depends on the RBI monetary policy scheduled for 10 a.m. tomorrow. If the RBI governor sounds more hawkish, we might see the markets fall further tomorrow. Even the government sovereign bond yields have been rising, and when bond yields rise, they tend to impact banks that have a lot of sovereign bond holdings. So to that extent, the banking stocks also lost ground in trade today. Overall, we believe that market will take cues tomorrow, immediately after the RBI policy, and going forward, we have towards mid-June, we have the monetary policy from the Federal Reserve, the US Federal Reserve, where we believe US Fed Chairperson Jerome Powell will again hike rates by 0.5% in the US. So overall, it's the interest rates that are hitting the stock markets, and if interest rates continue to rise, people will move money from stocks to instruments that yield fixed interest. So to that extent, the markets may tend to be weakish. Thank you for watching, and we'll have another RBI monetary policy video tomorrow. Do watch it, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. My name is Sunil Fernandez.